Okay, another one of Crispey Bear's locks. This is called Vanishing what? Or Varsrang Dutch turning technique, whatever. Anyway, it's a Wilka. This is a bitting on the key. It does work. Very smooth. Okay, we are locked up. It's a 6-pin. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit paracentric, not too bad. So we'll see if we can do something with it. Okay, let's use bottom of the keyway. Let's use this pick from Sparrows, short hook. See if we can get to the back. I've got a little bit on 6, I believe. Some on 4. And 3. Give us a little bit of turn on the plug. And 2. And 1. See if we can get to the back again. Okay, and there it is, open on pin 4, I believe. Okay, let's take it out, open it up, see what kind of pins Crispey Bear's put in this lock. See if we can back it up. See if we can do this without messing up the gutting. And I forgot to take the clip off. So let's see if we can get the clip off. And I guess not that way. So let's try it this other way. Let me put my wrench in here so we can keep it open. Okay, there it comes. Alright, let's see if we can slide it out. That should do it. Okay, we have all 6 pins in and operating. We'll look at these pins real close in a moment. Let's look at the plug. Okay, every one of the pin chambers in the plug is threaded. I don't see any counter milling on the plug. Okay, let's see what we got in the top. Okay, pin 1. We'll look at it close in a moment. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. 2 more to go. 5. Now 1 more. Maybe there's not a 6 pin in there. Yeah, there it is. Come out. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got in this lock now. You know, that's kind of weird because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's only a 5 pin. There's not a 6 chamber in that plug, and there's 6 here, but it's only pin for 5. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is a serrated key pin, serrated key pin. This is acetype pin. This is another serrated upper pin. Okay, serrated key pin on the bottom. This one has 1 serration on it. This is a T pin with a wafer on top. This is another double spool. And then the last one. Alright, we did have 6 key pins in the bottom, but nothing in the top. There's only 5 holes in the top. Okay, so that 6 pin didn't bother us at all. Okay, I appreciate it, Crispy Bear. If you think about it, tell me what happened to the 6 pins. We just don't have a spot for a 6 pin in the Bible. Not that I can tell. Looks like 5. And we only got 5 springs. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.